a father-son off-road adventure featuring
Iron Panther.
Whoa. Ah. Hey, you want to open these, dude?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Nice one, Panther. Oops. Oh, they're open.
Yeah.
You ready for a big splash, Iron Panther?
Yeah.
Watch out, bad guys. Here comes Iron Panther. Ah. Now Iron Panther is about to face his biggest challenge. Thanos foot. I don't know if I'm Bigfoot or if I rule the galaxy.
You fall.
Nice. Block.
I'm so loud.
Now I'm gonna defeat you, Iron Claw. Once and for all. I am so awesome. I defeated Iron Claw.
Oh.
What? What's that? Who's that?
Santa.
Oh no!
I am Santa.
Oh no! It's Santa.
Here's a present.
What? No! I can't believe I fell for the invisible present trick again.
Oh. Here is a present.
What
it's
is it?
not a punch present. It is a toy present.
What kind? Is it my favorite toy?
Yeah.
My other glove? Oh, awesome! Now I have matching gloves. This is so cool. 2 gauntlets. That's all I ever really wanted.
Oh.
It's a Christmas miracle. Tell the good little boys and girls about how you turned me into a good guy and I don't want to smash everyone anymore.
Because I gave them presents. Don't forget to be nice, everyone. Oh. Be nice.
Oh, right, sorry.
Or you're having cold this year.
All right. Sorry, Santa.
Next year, I'll be watching.
Okay, I'll be good.
Oh.
Ready?
I found something for you, Pano.
Oh, thanks.
A walking stick.
That's all. I always wanted a walking stick too. Broken, but don't tell Santa. I'll return and get another one.
That's the end.
The end.
And
Where's my thumb? There it is. Hey everyone, so this is Bill with Driven to Distraction, and Griffin's with me. Hope you liked our video of the epic superhero Christmas savior Santa battle. Getting a truck like this is all about having family adventures, so I hope that you're able to get out this holiday season and do some fun stuff outside with your family too, and that you have the right tools to get you there. Anyway, we're having fun today, and I guess you can call this a 15,000 mile review of the truck. It's probably really should have 17 or 18,000. Currently I have 14,000, but I did quite a bit of driving on loaner cars because of all the different warranty issues with the truck. I'll put the things we've been working through in the description. We've had 2 weeks. I've had this truck since April of 2019. Now it's almost 2020. It's December 29th. And we finally had 2 full weeks of no problems. So we got out on the trail, played some games outside, drove around off-road, and had some fun with it. We'll see how it goes, but the 3 major things we were trying to get taken care of with the dealership and with GM was squealing from the transfer case, as well as the nav issues, still having problems with that, and then some issues with the leaf springs. Sorry, slipped my mind for a moment. The leaf springs, there are 2 different TSBs on the leaf springs. One was to retorque it, and the other was to lube it and change the pads that help keep them from slapping together. So far so good on those. We'll see what it's like after I clean them, but I know that they can be perfectly clean, and you can never take your truck off road and they can still have problems. So the seal of the transfer case also has similar issues. There's been a lot of things on forums about oil leaking from it, or fluid, and different other issues with the transfer case. So far so good with that, and the nav system's been great. And take a quick ice breaking break. Usually people do at the beginning of the get together, but we like to do ice breaking more toward the middle. Sorry, dad joke. So the transfer case has been good. No squealing. We'll see when it gets a little wet and dirty if it comes back. But I know that the seal in the transfer case and some other issues on it have been pretty common. And the nav system, again, has been great. No more errors, no more SD card issues, and actually runs a lot faster now. The whole head unit, even with Apple CarPlay, it's been loading a lot quicker for maps, Google Maps, Apple Maps, and going through playlists and everything like that. So we're having a lot of fun. We're going to do some more driving. But thanks for watching the channel. We hope you have a great holiday season and a great new year, and that you're able to get out and have some fun too. Thanks. So while the Colorado ZR2 hasn't been the most reliable truck, it is fun to drive. It is probably the sportiest of the mid-sized trucks, with the exception of maybe the Honda Ridgeline, because it is more of a street truck, and it does have some really great features in that regard. But the Colorado, in terms of body on frame, it's got good power, decent transmission, excellent comfort for a body on frame trunk, much better than any of the ones I've driven, and it's obviously got all the utility and off-road capability that you could ask for a midsize. So it is fun. We do like it, but again, long-term reliability does have me a bit worried, and we're going to keep working with GM and with the dealership to see how things go, and we'll see how things hold up after some more off-roading today. But again, 2 good weeks, so I guess it's not too much to ask for from a new vehicle. But again, it is probably the best driving mid-sized truck, at least for our needs. If you are looking to pick one up, just be very careful about it, because it is one of the lowest rated reliability trucks, and that was like a new rating for 2019, I believe, going into 2020. So just be careful of that. But again, in terms of how it rides and how it handles and how it comports itself off-road and on-road, are pretty impressive. So it's a 15,000-ish mile review. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching, and Happy New Year. Bye. So we've had this truck for about 15,000 miles. What do you think of it so far?
It's pretty good. I love it.
What do you love about it?
It goes on 4-wheel drive, and I get to listen to music, and we get to drive to different places.
Yeah, those are the reasons why I love it too.
Yeah.
Cool, thanks. Everything seems okay. Hello.
Cool. I have the GoPro.
Yep, we're gonna try the automatic car wash.
Yeah, it is perfect.
That's okay.
You're getting water on my window.
Oh man.
Wait, that looks like soap.
Yeah, it is soap.
Oh, soap.
Soap
Okay.
soap.
Clean, clean, clean.
For all you haters, this truck has never seen an automatic car wash. It's our first time.
Look over there. Oh. That noise. What is that noise?
I think it's thunder.
No.
That's loud. My window is going cray
Look
cray.
at my window. Oh. We're safe.
We are safe, but what about our truck's finish?
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty amped about taking the truck. Like I said, first time on
What is that? Oh, green. That is green
it.
light.
Oh, right, sorry. We should go. We're getting dried up.
Yeah. Look at the back of the truck.
Holy macaroni.
Looks like it's a airplane.
Oh, right. Did pretty well.
Thank you for watching Different Distractions. I don't know how to say it, but peace out. This was me and my dad. Don't forget to hit the bell, notify this channel, and subscribe so you never miss any other video of the whole entire universe. Peace out. Bye.
Fog in the headlamps.